Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your low quality video into high quality. So if you want to do this, then you need to open CapCut. I am going to use CapCut PC version. You can also use CapCut mobile version. Same process. Then import your clip. I am already import my clip. Drag it on your timeline. Okay. Then just follow my step. Then click here adjustment. Then make it high. Also make it high. Make it low. Also red, make it high. Again make it low. Also make it high. Make it low. I'm already do that. Okay. Then export this clip. Okay, I'm going to export. Let's export it desktop. Okay, export it here. Click here export. Okay, now import it again. Okay, now this is my main video, this is my edit video. Drag it on your timeline. After that, click here to blend option, select this clip and click here to blend option. Click here color burn, make the opacity 24. Okay, now click here in library and take this white background on your timeline. Then click here, then click here to blend option, normal overlay. Look, it's make my low quality video into high quality, but I am going to change some color grading for better looking. Okay, let's do some color grading. Okay, so in this way you guys can make your low quality video into high quality.